Artificial intelligence is changing everything. It summarizes complex documents and organizes data instantly. To experience practical AI, it analyzes images and builds your creative workflow. By the end of this video, you'll discover 7 practical AI features you can use for free to save time, create content, learn faster, analyze information, and get more done.
Don't let anybody deceive you that if your video is AI, like if you create your video with AI, people are not going to watch. That's a very fast lie. Because AI is the one thing that is trending now. So there is no how you're going to create your video with AI and you're not going to get views. That's not possible. In 2026, what is actually running is AI. So I see no reason why some people will be saying that if your video is AI, people notice it, they will not watch. Like if you use AI for your YouTube video, people are not going to watch. That's a very fast lie. Because people are so going to watch your video and they are so going to engage on it. You understand? The thing is just that when uploading it, you need to make sure that you indicate that video you upload is actually made with AI. You understand? Your setting is the most important thing, because when you set it during your uploading, that is what will make the algorithm to push it to people that will want to watch the video. So it doesn't matter whether you use AI to create your video or you create it by yourself. And the way people who use themselves, who do their raw videos, get views, it's the same thing that people who use AI to do videos still get views. You understand? A lot of AI channels are being monetized. People are making massive money with AI. Apart from using AI to create your videos, using AI to create your images, there are so many things you can do with AI. There's so much more you can do with AI. But in this video, I'm only going to mention just 7 features of AI that probably you're not using. And it is completely free. You don't need to pay for any AI tools to do all these things. You just have to use the AI that you have access to do every of all these things. So let's just dive right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is go to ChatGPT and then make sure that your chat is on new chat, okay? And then the first thing you're going to do is click on the plus sign. Yeah, click on photos and then you bring in your photo. Whatever you want to analyze, actually, you just bring it up. Let's say I want to analyze this picture here, okay? And then I click on done. Yeah, the next thing you're going to do is you put in your prompt. After doing that, you send it. This is the number one thing you're going to do. You can do it with AI. So this is it. Now, it identifies a person, appearance / details, background, composition, overall visual impression. So it identifies everything in this picture. Yeah, just like when you want to create a thumbnail. Yeah, and after creating your thumbnails and you do not understand, you don't know whether if the thumbnail is perfect, if it's okay for you to use like that. This is a way you can be able to find out if your thumbnail is okay. You understand? Just upload your thumbnail to ChatGPT and then tell it to analyze it for you and also explain, give you the details and also correct the correctable places. You understand? By so doing, you have a very perfect thumbnail. Because number 2 features of AI that you're missing out. Yes. So let's say you have someone sent you a document here and probably you don't understand it. You're kind of confused with the content and everything in the document and you don't know how to go about it. Don't worry. This is a very simple way to be able to understand your document, the context in it, and if there's any difficulties in it, this is the way to know it. So what you're going to do again is click on the plus sign. Yeah. Then this time around, you're not using photos, you're using files. You click on files. So it all depends on your phone anyway. So with my phone, you go to upload new files. Okay, so what you are going to do is you select the file that you want to, either you want to summarize a file, you want to analyze a document, whatever thing you want to do. So let's select one of our PDF files. So we are going to select this one. Yeah. So let's say, let's wait for it to upload. So the file, the document has uploaded. So what you're going to do, you write this prompt, summarize this document into 5 most important parts. You understand? So after you give it this prompt, you send it. So let's wait and see what ChatGPT will give to us. Yeah. So you see, so it has given me the 5 most important parts in my document. Next thing, which is number 3, is after you've record your videos and you want to know more about your videos, like your target audience, what you're going to do is you click on this plus sign here and then you click on photos. Now let's bring in the video that we want to work on here. Let's bring in this video. After you've uploaded your videos to ChatGPT, you sell it and you should organize it into topic, target audience, difficulties, and video format here. So let's wait for our video to fully upload. Okay. So this is the prompt you're going to use to get what you want in your videos. Your video topic, your target audience, difficulties you're going to have, that the video is going to have, like if the video is going to have views or not. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. You just basically getting information concerning your content. You understand? Before you upload it to any of your page, you understand, or your channels, you just get the infos concerning your video that you just created. You understand? Let's say for instance you want to post video to YouTube, and after creating your videos and you want to get like an insight concerning that video, you want to know whether if that video is going to do well, if that video is going to go viral or not. Now this is a very simple method of you getting a summary information concerning that particular video. Yeah, so you're going to give it this video to give you a topic for it, a target audience for it, and the difficulty that the video is going to have, and also the video format. Now by doing this, you see that you have lesser worries concerning your videos. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So we are just waiting for our video to upload, then we'll send it. So we'll see what is going to give us, the information is going to give us. Yeah, what we're going to do is let's send it to ChatGPT. Let's see what it's going to give to us. So it has actually give us what we wanted. Now you see, now this is all about our videos. Now it has actually tell you everything. It has given you the topic of your video. Now in that video I was just talking about just like a vlog. Yeah, so as you can see, it said it's a personal talking point commentary video. Yeah, nothing much. So this topic, yeah, that is what the video is. Now for target audience, he said it's a general social media audience, especially viewers interested in relatable personal content. I don't know if you get me. So now you know people that this video are made for. So even if you want to add your description, your hashtags, whatever thing you want to add, you already know that these are the people that your video are made for. Now let's go to the video difficulties. There are no difficulties. This video is made for beginners. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Now the video format is talking heads slash selfie video. So that's just what the video is about. Now number 4 is going to blow your mind, because number 4 basically is you telling AI to either multiply, give you a shot from your already made video, give you a caption like an Instagram caption, or maybe like a TikTok caption, whatever thing you want it to give you from your already made video. So this is what you're going to do here. Still on the plus sign, click there, and then you go to photos as well. So let's select a YouTube video that we've already created here. So the next thing you're going to do is give it the prompt to use. Now turn this YouTube script into a YouTube short. an Instagram caption, a TikTok caption, 5 hooks idea. Now let's see what come out of it. There are basically so many things you can do. I'm just showing you just 7 of it. So many things you can do with AI. You don't just use it um to create videos and then create image. That's not just it. There's so much more you can do with it. You can even use it to write later. Lovely. Now you see, this is it. For YouTube Short, learn the basics of animations. You don't have to be a professional to start learning animation. If you've ever thought I'm not a tech person or I'm not a pro, so I can't do this, think again. You should at least understand the basics. So now this is my video, yeah? You understand? This is my video. Now let's say for instance I want to post this video on Instagram, yeah? Now this is the caption for my Instagram post. So if I want to post it on TikTok, this is my caption. I don't know if you understand. Now from my video, it has given me 5 hooks. You understand? It has given me 5 hooks from my video. So you see, you have ideas. The video that you created, you can use that video to recreate another video. You just have to tell her to give you all of these things that I'm showing you here. So you don't need to crack your head over, which video will I do next? Which idea will I do next? Just use that video that you've already created and then give it to AI to give you another video with that same video. I don't know if you understand me. So by so doing, you will not run out of content. It is that simple. So number 5, see guys, let me tell you something. Number 5 is one of my favorite. Trust me. This number 5, I so much love it. Now, if you're someone that you want to go into YouTube, yeah, and you have no clue about YouTube, how it works, how to go about it, like the YouTube SEO and all of those things, number 5 is for you. So that's what I'm saying. You need to watch this video to the very end so that you're going to get everything that you need to start up your YouTube journey. So number 5 is this. So we are not going to upload any video for number 5 or any picture for number 5. Number 5 is basically you telling AI to teach you things that you don't know about YouTube, which is very, very important. Now, here's our prompt for number 5. So number 5 is teach me YouTube SEO like I'm a complete beginner. Start with the basics and give me a practical exercise after each lesson. Now, what that means is you telling me to quiz you on what it's about to teach you or what taught you. You understand? So let's see what it's going to give to us. I love this number 5, honestly. Always pay attention to all these things because you're so going to need them. AI has actually made everything so easy for us that you don't even need to crack your head, suffer yourself, think and think and think, overthink and rethink and all that. You just get your prompt right and boom, you get what you want. So now this is what has given to us. First of all, you see, the question is first of all, what is SEO? Now it gives you, even if you don't have any clue about SEO, it will give you first of all the full meaning of it before it will start telling you everything. The 3 things you should understand first. I don't know if you get me. Now the viewer response and so on and so on and so on and so on. See, guys, you need to do this. You need to do this. Now let's go to number 6. Our number 6 is still you using ChatGPT to learn something. So let's say you want to get something. So let's say number 6 is, let's say you want to solve a problem. So now number 6 is give AI a specific goal. So let's see what you give to us, yeah? You don't have to struggle with content when there is AI. It's before that you're going to do everything by yourself, with yourself. But with AI, you cannot do that anymore. You see, everything is here. So you just pick one and then boom, you create your content as as you can see. So that's basically how to do all these things for content ideas and all of those things. So number seven, the last. This one is this one is why this one is a banger is if you're somebody who wants to do text to speech, voice transcription, audio cleanup, converting speech to text, whatever thing you want to do, and you don't have the money to pay for the paid tools. So this aspect will tell AI to show you the free tools to use. You understand? And the free trials you can use to generate all these things. Yeah. So by so doing, you will not have to bother about which tools will I use because trust me, there are no free AI tools anywhere. Don't let anybody deceive you. So it has given you a lot. You understand? So that's just basically how to use the seven features of AI that you're probably not using. Trust me. So let's make a recap about what you've taught today. Okay. So this is what we actually talked about today. Number one, image understanding. Number two, document analysis, organizing information, content repurposing, and personal tutor. We have brainstorm and creative assistance. And number seven, which is AI and voice. So this is actually what we talk about today. So if this video actually taught you one or two, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, and do not forget to on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post a video.